Hey, this is just a super quick update to the video I just did on adding text screen or a display screen. One of the things I noticed is I was having a hard time controlling the background on the user widget here. I'm still sorting through it of how to put a background on here. It's not showing a background. I'm working on that. But in the meantime, if you wanted this text to pop more, what you do is you just come into Fortnite here and get the day sequencer, this thing right here. I already have one in the scene. And then what you can do is you can disable it, drag it into the scene, and then disable it on that same trigger that turns off your pop-up device. And then on its setting, you can set the fixed time to 0, and then search for intensity and the sunlight, the skylight, and just turn everything to 0. Make this scene dark. And then what'll happen is it'll darken your background then, and your text should pop. So if we come into Fortnite, it should look like this. So we come in here, start game, and look at how the text pops now. See? And I can't move anyway. I'm frozen, but you can really see the text now. And then the trigger will turn it off, and we're back to regular gameplay. See, just like that. So the day sequencer can be used basically to control your background instead of trying to control it through the user widget. Take care, have a great day, and I'll talk to you next time.